Hello everyone. If you're interested in the HY260 Pro Native 1080p Smart Projector, you'll find the product link in the description below. A portable projector should be simple to carry, quick to set up, and capable of producing an enjoyable viewing experience. The HY260 Pro is designed with exactly those goals in mind. It combines smart software, full HD image quality, wireless connectivity, and intelligent setup features into one compact device that's suitable for entertainment almost anywhere. The first thing that stands out is its native 1920 by 1080 full HD resolution. Unlike projectors that rely heavily on image scaling, this one produces naturally sharper pictures with improved clarity and better color detail. Whether you're watching blockbuster movies, TV shows, live sports, or viewing family photos, the display remains crisp and easy on the eyes. It also supports 4K video decoding, allowing you to enjoy high-resolution content with smooth playback. Thanks to the built-in Android 11 operating system, the projector functions like a smart entertainment device. You can access compatible streaming apps, browse online content, and enjoy your favorite media without connecting a separate streaming stick. Everything is available in one convenient system, making everyday operation much more user-friendly. One of the biggest advantages is the intelligent autofocus feature. Every time the projector is repositioned, it quickly adjusts the image to keep everything sharp without requiring manual tuning. Combined with automatic keystone correction, it helps produce a properly aligned picture, even when the projector isn't placed perfectly in front of the screen. The HY260 Pro delivers 200 ANSI lumens of brightness, making it ideal for dimly lit rooms, bedrooms, home theaters, and evening outdoor movie sessions. Under these conditions, the projector creates a comfortable and immersive viewing experience with impressive screen size. Sound performance is enhanced through Dolby Sound support. Voices become clearer, movie soundtracks feel richer, and action sequences gain more depth. If you want an even more powerful audio setup, the projector also supports Bluetooth connections for compatible wireless speakers and headphones. Connectivity is another major strength. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, and USB support allow you to connect laptops, gaming consoles, media players, USB storage devices, and many other entertainment sources. This flexibility makes switching between streaming, gaming, presentations, and multimedia playback incredibly easy. Portability plays a major role in the overall experience. Its lightweight construction makes transportation effortless whether you're traveling, camping, visiting friends, or simply moving it between rooms at home. Instead of being tied to a fixed television, you can create a large-screen entertainment setup almost anywhere. For gaming enthusiasts, the larger projected image creates a far more immersive experience than many standard displays. Racing games, open-world adventures, sports titles, and cooperative multiplayer sessions become more exciting on a much bigger screen. The LED light source is designed for durability and long operational life, helping reduce maintenance while maintaining consistent picture quality over years of regular use. It's an efficient solution for users looking for dependable entertainment without frequent upkeep. Overall, the HY260 Pro offers an excellent balance of picture quality, smart functionality, portability, and ease of use. Native full HD resolution, Android 11, automatic focus, automatic keystone correction, Dolby Sound, and versatile connectivity make it a practical choice for movies, streaming, gaming, and everyday home entertainment. If you're searching for a compact projector that delivers modern features in a travel-friendly design, this model is certainly worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications for more honest reviews of the latest projectors and consumer technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.